Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Gratitude Journal is probably one of the most effective ways for teen girls to cultivate positivity, reduce stress, and improve their overall well-being. In this video, we will explore its numerous benefits and help you choose the perfect journal to start your gratitude journey, covering various aspects from design and features to price and personal preferences, ensuring you find the ideal companion for your self-reflection and growth. Number 5. Big Life Journal, Teen Edition. It's a growth mindset workbook to help teens dream about their future. It fosters resilience, gratitude, and positivity in young people. This journal shows teens the power of their own minds. It teaches the importance of self-talk and how thoughts shape mindsets. It lets teens dream big and then shows them how to break those dreams into achievable goals. Watch them plan their future. With fun activities and prompts, it's an engaging way for teens to discover their passions. It's a journal they'll actually want to use. This durable journal is perfect for teens of all genders. With 160 pages of high-quality paper, it becomes a cherished keepsake. What we like? It's an interactive journal that helps teens develop a growth mindset and achieve their goals. If you are looking for a journal to help your teen turn their dreams into reality, this is the one for you. It's perfect for teens who want to explore their interests and develop a positive outlook on life. What people say. The graphics jumped out at me and the content seems positive and compelling enough to keep my daughter invested in it beyond the first few pages. It is very interactive and the conversational prompts seem helpful for someone who would otherwise not know where or how to parlay their thoughts onto the page. It is written in and illustrated in a way that makes it engaging for children and teens. The explanations and activity pages are perfect for ages 8 to 12. Number 4. Clever Fox Gratitude Journal. Embark on a 3-month journey of self-discovery and positivity. It's designed to help you cultivate gratitude and build a happier life. Each day brings new prompts to keep your journaling fresh and engaging. It encourages a positive mindset and helps you focus on the good things in your life. Evening reflection pages and weekly exercises promote self-awareness and personal growth. It's a chance to look back on your day and learn from your experiences. This journal boasts a premium vegan leather cover, thick paper, an elastic band, a pen loop, and fun stickers. It's designed to be both beautiful and functional. We're confident you'll love it, but if not, we offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. Simply reach out to us for a refund or exchange. What we like? This journal provides a guided gratitude practice with daily prompts and high-quality materials. If you like a structured approach to gratitude journaling, this journal is perfect for you. It's ideal for those who want to build a consistent gratitude practice over a 3-month period. What people say. The journal covers 3 months, which I actually really like because this is a heavy-duty book. I love that for each 3-month period I can pick a different color and switch to a fresh book. This is my 4th gratitude journal from Clever Fox. I love the 2-page design where first thing in the morning I get to sit and focus on what I am grateful for, what my objective is for the day and longer term, and 2 thought questions that are different every day. It's great quality, the binding is sturdy. It's compact to keep in my nightstand, easily to use each night. I love the way it's easy to use and keep organized with sections and stickers. Number 3. RYVE Daily Gratitude Journal. It's time for a journey of self-discovery. This journal will guide you with prompts, but also give you space for your own thoughts and feelings. Let's break those negative cycles and boost your mood. Start your day with positive affirmations and gratitude prompts. It will help you focus on your goals, reflect on your day, and find motivation in inspirational quotes. Each week, explore insightful questions designed to help you grow. Identify your top priorities and use happiness prompts to plan a more positive week ahead. Use the habit tracker to build positive routines. There's also plenty of space for your own ideas, sketches, and anything else you want to capture. Enjoy the luxurious feel of this journal. It features high-quality materials, a lay-flat design, and beautiful cover options, all presented in a lovely gift box. What we like? It offers a longer-term gratitude journey with weekly reflections and a luxurious design. If you are looking for a premium journaling experience that supports self-awareness and positive transformation, this is it. It's perfect for those who want to cultivate gratitude and mindfulness over a longer period. What people say. This journal is about a half year's worth. There's 182 daily routine pages. Thankfully undated, so it doesn't taunt you with blank pages if you miss a day. 26 pages of weekly reflection. These pages have varied prompts, only the My Priorities remains on each page. It has quality pages, nice layout, habit tracker sections, weekly reflections with thoughtful questions, affirmations as well as motivational quotes for every day. This is an excellent format with high-quality materials. Number 2. DIY Journal Kit for Girls. This kit is perfect for expressing gratitude in a fun and creative way. It includes everything she needs to create a personalized journal filled with positivity and self-expression. It's part bullet journal, part diary. The guided pages and dotted grid offer structure, or she can write freely. It's the perfect size to carry around. Searching for a thoughtful gift? This kit encourages self-reflection and gratitude, making it ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. The kit comes with a colorful fold-out poster. She can use it to visually represent her journey of gratitude and positive self-expression. This journal helps girls explore their feelings and cultivate gratitude. Personalize each page with words, photos, and the included art supplies. What we like. This is a fun, creative journal kit that lets teens express their gratitude in unique ways. If you're looking for a gift that encourages creativity and self-expression, this is a great choice. It's perfect for teens who enjoy arts and crafts and want a personalized gratitude journal. What people say. All the extra little accessories were perfect. It came with a lot to decorate the journal as they like. We really like craft kits. It is nice because they can spend the time doing it and then they have something special to keep. Number 1. Gratitude Journal for Teens. This isn't just any journal, it's a place for young ones to express their feelings and cultivate gratitude. With its colorful design and unique prompts, it's perfect for self-expression and reflection. It has 100 thick pages filled with prompts to spark creativity or space for freestyle journaling. Let them create a journal as unique as they are. It comes with fun stickers to personalize the included fold-out poster. This poster is designed to inspire self-reflection, positive affirmations, and confidence. It's ideal for doodling, creative writing, and affirmations. The handy spiral binding makes it easy to use anywhere, anytime. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This journal makes a wonderful present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's perfect for teens and tweens. What we like. This journal features a vibrant design, prompts, stickers, and a fold-out poster to inspire gratitude. If you want a colorful and engaging journal to help teens cultivate gratitude, this is a great option. It's perfect for teens who like to personalize their journals and express themselves creatively. What people say. I purchased this journal as an add on RYVE Christmas present. I lived the colorful pages sprinkled in and that there are guided pages and blank pages. Quality was good for the price. Got this journal for my 7-year-old brother. I want him to start writing ND. This is the perfect journal starter. Comes with stickers too. I purchased this for my granddaughter for Christmas. She is 10 years old and very mature for her age. It didn't take long for her to start planning and writing her visions and goals for the new year. I recommend this for teaching kiddos how to plan and organize their time wisely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.